Hello David guys and welcome. So today I'm going to continue my tutorial about how to add some objects and add-ons on the GTA gaming, and I'm going to reply on the questions that I got on comment. So let's start. So we are going to get into GTA5mods.com website. I'm going to leave this link below, and we will click on tools. We will looking for OIV package installer. So this is tool is going to help us to modify the objectives like colors, sometimes shape some object that you can change the shape. You can add some specific colors that you want and switch between objects. So we will use this OIV package installer version 1.4, and I'm going to show you how to install it.
In this video, I will share a guide on how to install and use the OIV package installer for both able to remove or uninstall.
Also, I'm
You
going
also need
to leave you this link, guys, so you can
version 8, and you need
follow the tutorial. So let's download. So have to follow the guide here, and after that we go back to the website and choose scripts with let's say we are going to choose like runtime cycle. So this tool will help you to edit the lights, I think, and the environment, the sun. Yes, the specific student says download the node, extract exile. So this is the instruction for how to install. It shows on that hub. This is the development, DirectX 2. Let's do the third stuff, GTEVI. There's lots of tools and scripts that we can explain all of those in separate videos, so we can get into all more deep, get deeper and deeper to each tool, because this is like need more than 1 hour to explain each specific tool, and how to use, how to install, how to reinstall if you have any bugs or problems. So yeah, sounds sweet. This is the king of the games, the universal of the game. You can add, using your Blender 3D softwares to modify the objects.
For example, presenting a tool to convert it and export in panel.
So I'm going to leave all these links below in the description, so you can check it yourself. Take your time to, follow the tutorial. Have tools, vehicles, plane, job. This is to change, to paint the object's color, but you have to go to script first and then back to bent tubes so you can use it. This is the characters that you choose to add the map, maybe. Ah, sorry guys, I had issues. صغيرة. آه.
بس المصلحة جامدة.
صح صح. مش مصر، مش مصر خالص. بص على الماء.
بس بيتكلموا
Okay guys, thank you, and I will continue on the next tutorial. If you have any questions, just write in comment below.